Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about weekday formula in sales. So let's proceed by understanding what is weekday formula. So in Salesforce, there are many scenarios when we need to display days of week, and for this purpose, we will use this weekday formula, or you can say weekday function that is provided by the Salesforce. Basically, we have the function weekday in which we pass date. In return, it shows the output of a day of week for the given date. For example, for Sunday, it show you 1. For Monday, it show you 2. So on, like Saturday, it show you 7. So let's proceed and learn how to use this weekday function in Salesforce. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning edition, so firstly switch to the Lightning one. And here I will discuss about weekday formula in Salesforce Lite. So for this, click on the gear icon and click on the setup option for move to our home page. So here it redirects us to the setup home page, and then I click on the Object Manager tab that is present on the name bar, and it show you all the objects that we have in our Salesforce account. Now choose the object for whom you want to use this weekday formula, or you can say that function. In this case, I am going to show you example for the campaign. So I search campaign in the quick find box, and here is the campaign object. Click on this campaign object, and our campaign page is open. Now select the fields and relationship that is present under the details, and it will redirect us to the fields and relationship page. Under this page, lots of fields are created already. So I want to create the new one. So click on the new button. Now it's asked me to choose the output. Now it's asked me to choose the field type. So here I am choosing the field type as a formula because it is a weekday formula. And then I click on the next button, and it moves us to the next step. And here I choose the output and give the field level, and I choose the output type and give the field level label and give the field label. And here I am giving the field label as a starting weekday. So here I enter the starting weekday, and then click on the field name which is automatically populated, and then scroll down. Now choose the formula return type for this campaign object, and now you have to choose the return type for the output, as we are going to get the number of a week, or you can say a weekday. So it's always return an output in a number for number form, like 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, like that. So we have to choose the formula return type here as a number. So I click on the number checkbox and then scroll down. There is an option present, and by default it is selected as a 2 in the decimal place. So I change this, and I change this to the 0, and by changing it, now I click on the next button. Now now enter the formula in the formula field. So here I am entering the formula as a now enter the formula for calculating the start weekday of the campaign. Now here I am entering the formula. So for this I select the function first, and here I select the weekday, search for the weekday, and here is our weekday. Click on this and insert function, and now remove this and insert the field which you want to insert, and here I am going to insert the start date. So here is my start date. Click on this and insert this. Now you can see I pass the date as a start date in the weekday function. Now this start day is a standard field, so it gives me the day of week for the given date, which is passed to the start date after that. After that, I click on the check syntax option. So click on it and then scroll down. You can see there is a no syntax error in the merge field or function. And now you can also fill the description and the help text if you want to fill, otherwise leave it as it is because it is an optional field. And you can also blank field handling. If your formula reference any number, currency or percentage field, specify what happened to the formula output when their value are blank. So you can choose any of the option, treat blank field as 0, treat blank field as a blank. Here I did not change anything. So after that I click on the next button, and it will redirect us to the next step, that is establish the field level security. So here now it's ask you to set the profile to whom you want to grant the edit access to the profile, and if you not select any of the field, the all profiles are hidden from the field level security. I want to give access to all the profiles, so I click on the visible checkbox. When I scroll down, you can see there is a visible checkbox present. Click on this checkbox and then click on the next button. Now it move us to the step number 5. Then it asks you to add the page layout, and this time you have to select the page layout on which you want to include this field. So here I want to include it on the campaign layout, which is already checked. If it is not checked, then you can check it and then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, you can see our field is created successfully. That is starting weekday, and where is our field? This is our field that is created. So I click on the app launcher and then search for the campaign and click on the campaign option, and it will redirect us to the campaign record page. And here we go, you can see the record page of the campaign open. Here is no record present, and so forth. Now here I create a new record, click on the new button, and now enter the campaign name first, and here I am entering this name, and then scroll down, enter the start date. Here I am entering this start date, and then click on the save button. When I am clicking on the save button, our record is created and it will redirect us to the detail page. And when we scroll down, here you can see that our starting weekday is set as a 5. Set as a 5, it pick up the value from the start day of the campaign. And here you can see the start date is the 8/8/2024, and it shows starting weekday as a 5. So with this we have learned Salesforce weekday formula. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.